limitations. We collect data about things which are measurable, जिनको मापा जा सकता है. But there are many things which do happen with people, they can't be measured. You are happy. How do we know how much you are happy? How much people are happy? People are sad. We do not know how much people are sad. We cannot put a number to it. You enjoy eating something. We call it utility, satisfaction. There is no meter which can measure how much satisfaction you have derived. There is no meter. So things like happiness, utility, sadness, welfare, they cannot be expressed in quantitative terms. So one limitation is, do not deal with qualities, with qualitative aspects. That is one limitation. When you study economic theory, you will come across these things. Now, we talk of average in economics, mean, median, mode, you will study after a few lectures. So, for example, average of 1, 2, 3 is 2, but that does not mean all the 3 individuals about which we have data collected, every individual is 2. So, average may not be true. Average height of, suppose say we say of the school children is 5.4 inch. That does not speak much. That does not mean every child is 5.4. Some may be greater than and some may be much less than. So, average of a group may not hold for individual in the group. Per capita income of the country, say around 7,000 per year, but it is not necessary that most of the people are around 7,000. There may be people 70,000, 90,000, 90 lakhs and all that, there may be people belonging to 700. So, average speaks something but not everything. एवरेज से कुछ पता चलता है लेकिन सब कुछ पता नहीं चलता है. Then another limitation of statistics is statistics do not deal with individuals, but with groups. अगर आप एक व्यक्ति के बारे में कुछ बोलते हैं तो दिस इज नॉट डेटा. अगर आप ग्रुप के बारे में बोलते हैं तो दैट इज डेटा. That is another limitation. then of course statistical results are mere approximations अंदाजा। अभी मैंने कहा 7,000 रुपये इनकम है पर कैपिटा पर ईयर, not necessarily of everybody, it's just an approximation, it's not exact. Why can't it be exact? Your method of collecting data may be biased. You may be biased. The investigator may be biased. People who are answering the questions, your questions, when you are collecting data, they may be biased. हाँ जी सब ठीक है जी, सब ठीक है जी, सब ठीक है। अब देखिए सर्वे करने आते हैं नॉर्मली, अक्सर आपने देखा होगा टीवी पे फिल्मों के रिव्यूज, फिल्म के आते हैं। मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल से बड़ी अच्छी है जी, बड़ी अच्छी है जी, बहुत अच्छी है जी, अंदर से चाहे उन्हें अच्छी ना लगे हो, क्योंकि वो कैमरे के सामने बोल रहे हैं, इसलिए ठीक है गोलमोल सा जवाब दो और चलो आगे। ही मे नॉट बी इंटरेस्टेड इन टॉकिंग टू दी कैमरामैन। हाँ ठीक है जी, बढ़िया थी जी, बढ़िया थी जी। बट इफ यू टॉक टू हिम इन ग्रेट डिटेल, इतना टाइम ना कैमरा वाले के पास होता है ना उसके पास होता है, तो सम डिफरेंट थिंग्स मे कम आउट। बट इफ 8 out of 10 पीपल से जी बढ़िया है, सो वन थिंग इज सर्टेन, कुछ तो है, कुछ तो अच्छी बात है फिल्म के अंदर, लाइक दैट। सो इट इज अ मेयर अप्रोक्सीमेशन, इट इज नॉट समथिंग विच इज एग्जैक्ट। फाइनली can be misused. Can be misused. Suppose I am conducting a survey. Somebody has assigned me, just survey kar do. I am biased and I have a certain result in mind कि सर्वे का रिजल्ट ये होना चाहिए, ना कि ये होगा। So since there are many alternative methods of conducting a survey, I may choose the method which suits me. That is a misuse of statistics. Some politician wants to prove something and he already has in mind what to prove. So he is in search of a data which can prove what he wants to prove. So there can be a lot of misuse of statistics. Sometimes a phrase goes, there are lies, there are damn lies, and there are statistics. But it's not always true. Sometimes it is true. एक होता है झूठ, एक होता है सफेद झूठ, और एक होता है स्टैटिस्टिक्स, आंकड़े। तो आंकड़े भी कई बार झूठ बोलते हैं। क्यों झूठ बोलते हैं? उनको इकट्ठा करने वाला बायस्ड है, वो किसी एक खास रिजल्ट में इंटरेस्टेड है और सिर्फ उसी रिजल्ट को प्रूव करने के लिए वो ऐसा कर रहा है।